Understanding Kidney Recovery, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and context of the phrase, kidney recovery. This topic is not only relevant for medical discussions but also for understanding everyday conversations about health and wellness. So, let's dive in and unravel the nuances of this important term. Kidney recovery refers to the process of healing or returning to normal function of the kidneys. The kidneys are vital organs in our body responsible for filtering waste products from the blood and maintaining fluid balance. When we talk about kidney recovery, it usually implies a return to health after a period of kidney-related illness or damage. In everyday language, kidney recovery can be used in various contexts. For instance, it might refer to the period following a kidney transplant, where the body is adapting to the new organ. It could also mean the recuperation process after a kidney infection or injury. Understanding the context is key to comprehending the exact meaning in different scenarios. It's also important to understand some related medical terms. Renal function. This term refers to how well the kidneys are working. Dialysis, a treatment for severe kidney failure, where a machine does the work of the kidneys. Nephrology, the branch of medicine that deals with kidney health and diseases. I hope this video has helped you understand what kidney recovery means and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, the journey of language learning is continuous and full of exciting discoveries. Keep exploring and stay curious.